appel d'accès vers la gauche.
Bonjour, bonjour à tous. Connectez-vous, connectez-vous. Donc là, on vient à peine de nous communiquer la nouvelle adresse où ces gens sont allés. Donc en réalité, ils sont en train de vouloir faire un bras de fer. Connectez-vous et partagez. Donc ces gens, on vient à peine de nous communiquer la nouvelle adresse où ils sont allés. Donc le consulat du Cameroun en Angleterre a décidé de passer à un bras de fer avec nous en Finlande. Donc là, je suis en train d'aller me rendre sur les lieux où ils ont décidé de passer au bras de fer. Donc connectez-vous, je me rends à la nouvelle adresse où ils ont décidé de passer à un bras de fer. Donc nous sommes en route là pour la nouvelle adresse où ces gens du consulat qui ont été chassés ce matin ont décidé de louer un troisième endroit pour passer à un bras de fer. Je vous invite à partager. Je vous invite à partager massivement. Là, ils ont décidé de passer à un bras de fer.
À 2 km, sortie à droite.
Donc, partagez, partagez dans peu de temps. Nous allons être dans moins de 5 minutes. Je serai à l'adresse où ces gens ont décidé de passer à un bras de fer. Merci de partager, partager, partager. Ils veulent nous défier. Ils ont décidé de passer à un bras de fer. Ils nous ont dit qu'ils rentraient et ils sont allés louer
à 1 km, sortie
un troisième lieu. Donc nous invitons, j'ai communiqué l'adresse, nous invitons tout le monde à sortir. Nous invitons tout le monde à sortir et venir nous rejoindre. Donc l'adresse a été communiquée, a été déjà postée. L'adresse a été postée dans un instant. Je serai au lieu.
Prochaine sortie à droite, en direction de Capella. Ensuite,
donc partagez, partagez. Nous allons passer à un bras de fer. Ils disent qu'ils ont la sécurité, donc ils ont loué la sécurité et que là, on ne peut rien leur faire. Donc, laissons voir ce qui doit se passer.
À droite.
Laissons voir, partager, partager. Juste dans quelques instants, nous arrivons sur les lieux. Le régime dictatorial de Biya, ils ont décidé que coûte, ils vont récupérer les moyens avant de rentrer. Donc ils ont décidé que coûte, ils vont récupérer l'argent avant de rentrer. Partagez.
À 2 km, virage léger à gauche.
Dans un instant, je serai sur les lieux. Le régime biaïste a décidé de passer à un bras de fer. Donc, je vais préciser que ça, c'est le troisième lieu déjà pour cette journée qu'ils ont loué. Le premier emplacement qu'ils ont loué, ils ont été interdits, ne sont pas arrivés et sont allés louer un autre emplacement à l'hôtel. Nous sommes arrivés à l'hôtel et nous avons conclu avec la police que ces gens devaient retourner Donc, il n'était plus question pour eux de louer un autre endroit. Donc là, on vient de nous informer, après l'alerte que nous avons lancée, de la nouvelle adresse. Donc tout de suite, la police finlandaise, ils doivent nous donner ils doivent nous expliquer comment ces gens ont encore pu, se sont permis à pouvoir louer un autre endroit pour continuer leur commerce illégitime, leur commerce illégal. Donc dans peu de temps, je serai dans moins de 3 minutes sur l'endroit. Et puis là, nous allons donc voir si ils vont défier, comme ils le font au Cameroun, la population camerounaise ici en Finlande. Donc nous passons à la troisième changement d'adresse depuis la journée. Donc c'est la troisième adresse qu'ils ont déjà pris depuis cette journée. Donc tout de suite, nous allons exiger que ces gens puissent partir aujourd'hui devant nous. Comme ils veulent passer à un bras de fer, allons seulement. Régime dictatorial de Biya. Ils ont décidé de passer à un bras de fer. Ils ont décidé de coûte que coûte passer à l'établissement des passeports. Donc nous allons voir donc de qui on se moque. Nous verrons dans un instant de qui ces gens se moquent.
400 mètres, virage léger à gauche.
Donc dans un instant, je serai sur les lieux. Partager, partager, partager. Nous allons voir ensemble quel genre de sécurité ils ont demandé à faire venir. Et si la police est complice des meurtres qu'il y a au Cameroun. Nous allons ensemble voir ça aujourd'hui. Donc, ils ont été délogés de l'hôtel Scandic et ont décidé de reprendre une troisième adresse pour continuer leur travail. Donc, partagez massivement. Dans moins d'une minute, je suis au lieu de la nouvelle adresse. Comme ils veulent passer à un bras de fer, actuellement, ça ne serait plus le langage. Même s'il faut un affrontement face à face, je pense qu'ils ont été avertis. Donc, partagez massivement. Le régime dictatorial de Biya. Ils veulent venir nous défier ici en diaspora. Ils veulent venir nous défier ici en diaspora. Ces gens ont une fois de plus passé à la vitesse supérieure. Le régime dictatorial de Biya veut amener la barbarie ici en Finlande.
À 1 km à droite.
Donc dans moins de 2 minutes, je serai sur les lieux et puis nous allons voir ensemble. Nous allons voir ensemble si ce régime dictatorial va nous gagner ici. Avec la police le matin, on a pris des résolutions qu'ils allaient rentrer. Nous avons fait confiance et après leur sortie à l'hôtel, nous sommes retournés. Ils n'ont pas su que nous étions aux aguets. Là, on nous a informé qu'ils sont à une nouvelle adresse. Donc, ça fait 3 adresses différentes en une journée. Ce régime illégitime ne respecte les résolutions d'aucune institution. Leur seul devoir et leur seul projet, c'est de chercher comment soutirer de l'argent pour aller financer la guerre. Donc vous avez vu ce matin ce jeune homme sadique de ce consulat qui venait pour me convaincre que non, ça va vraiment, tout va aller bien, vraiment, il n'est pas pour ça. Vous voyez que ce même gars a encore repris notre adresse, croyant toujours nous déjouer. Ce même gars a repris notre adresse pour inviter ces gens croyant nous déjouer. Donc là, je suis presque sur les lieux. Je suis presque sur les lieux. Partagez, partagez. Nous sommes déjà presque sur les lieux. Nous sommes presque sur les lieux. Nous allons peut-être, je constate que ils veulent vivre ici en Finlande avec nous. Ils ne veulent plus rentrer en Angleterre. Cette fois, je pense que moi et eux, nous allons rester en Finlande.
Et bientôt à droite.
Ouais.
Ensuite, votre destination sera sur la gauche.
Donc nous sommes
À
presque
300
arrivés.
mètres à gauche.
Voilà. Nous sommes presque arrivés sur les lieux. Partagez, partagez.
Et la prochaine à gauche. Ensuite, à gauche.
Nous sommes presque là. Donc, ils vont nous expliquer avec la police comment ils ont encore pu faire pour se retrouver ici. Comment ces gens ont encore pu faire pour se retrouver ici.
Ensuite, 200 mètres après, à gauche.
Donc, partagez. Voilà, nous sommes arrivés. Nous sommes arrivés. Nous sommes presque arrivés. Alors là,
Et la prochaine à gauche. Ensuite, votre destination sera sur la droite.
ils ont cru qu'ils devaient trop se cacher. Qu'ils devaient trop se cacher.
Destination atteinte. Le guidage est maintenant terminé.
Ouais, destination atteinte. Donc, partagez, partagez, partagez. Là, nous sommes sur les lieux. Ouais. Voilà, 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 voilà. Nous sommes sur les lieux. Donc, partagez. C'est là qu'ils sont, président. Partagez, partagez. D'accord. Donc le monsieur n'a pas compris quand vous l'avez demandé d'arrêter. Hein. J'espère que je suis bien garé là. C'est là. Hein.
Ils sont là. Donc j'ai dit à Maman M.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, don't touch me. Please, you don't touch me. What you said to me? Oh,
Easy.
wait, don't touch me. I understand. I understand.
You need to calm down.
Yes. So, listen.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
This guy, what he said to me, Madam, you don't touch me. People are seeing you. People are seeing you.
This is not only
No.
This is not only
What is my phone? Take this. Take this.
What you're doing?
You know what?
We will call police on you.
Police tell them to go.
What the police here?
Stop.
See,
I don't understand.
This is
you know what?
Listen.
Police ask them to go.
Let me tell you something.
Yes, don't touch me, bro. People are dying.
No,
People are dying, Cameroon. France, filme ça. Arrête ça, arrête ça. Oh, tell them to go. Arrête ça.
Let me tell you something.
So let's attends, I understand. They have to go out. They have to go.
You want the police to complain to the police?
You can't do that.
What the hell? Bro, I don't joke,
To
eh?
explain something
I
to you.
didn't come here to joke.
If you can listen to me, you will understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Bro,
have you seen me?
I want those guys out.
Have you seen me before?
Before we talk, they have to go out.
No, wait.
I don't come here.
No, relax. Have you seen me before? Have you seen me before? I want to tell you something.
Bro,
Let me explain this to you.
people are dying.
If you pay attention,
People are dying.
if you pay attention,
I understand.
if you pay attention,
I didn't.
wait. If you listen to me 2 minutes, you will know what I'm trying to
Why you didn't listen to him? He was here. Why you didn't listen to him?
No. You, what you are doing here, we have been broadcasting the problem in Cameroon. Do you know that?
Bro.
Do you know Banana TV?
Bro.
Do you know Banana TV?
This guy is not honest.
Wait, do you know Banana TV?
We agree with the police.
Do you know
We
Banana
agree
TV?
with the police.
We have been broadcasting this problem in Cameroon. So wait and let me explain this to you.
We agree with the police.
Wait.
That is not supposed anymore.
Have you heard of Nana's TV Finland? We have been addressing this problem in Cameroon. We are media house that have been addressing this problem. People come to, Che Abongwa. They come to our studio, Nana's TV studio. We have been addressing this issue, and I'm telling you, relax and let's solve this thing here.
Say to this guy to come out, please. Tell him.
Relax.
If he doesn't come out, wallahi, I swear,
relax.
me and him, we die here.
Relax.
We die here.
No, relax.
Say to him to come out.
Relax.
Okay.
This is not how to
Please
address it.
say to him to come out.
This is not how to address it.
Why you accept him here? Tell me.
No.
This is the third place he take today. It's the third place.
They are just doing
The
their
third.
We understand you. I'm telling you, we have been broadcasting this issue. We have been broadcasting this issue for you.
My brother.
Do you know of Nana's
My
TV?
brother, listen to me.
Do you know of Nana's TV?
This is the third place. Yeah, mon frère, ça c'est la troisième place. C'est la troisième place. Tu sais quoi? Dis-lui qu'un joggeur de sortie. Ma mère, quand on... Ça notre hand là, et t'as Allah hennu. Quand ça est là hennu. Wallahi, that is the third place he take today. It is the third place.
No way.
This man, they are killing. They don't make diplomacy when they kill. They are killing. They don't make any diplomacy. Why we have to talk diplomacy? The third match baby died a couple of days ago. Priority in Cameroon is not the passport. They come to collect their money. They come to collect their money.
If your issue is nice,
You know what? Let's not talk. Tell them to go.
There are so many ways to talk to people, not by violence.
Combien de personnes là? Mon frère, tu sais quoi? Mon frère, regarde, s'il faut qu'on cause, non, qui commence par sortir. Si vous voulez, if you need any dialogue, the first thing start to go out, please.
But these people are just messengers. They are not even the real people that are taking decisions.
You know what? Please say to them to come out. This is the third place they take. The first place they go. The second place the police come. They agree with the police that they are going. Even if the police come now, they will be surprised to see them there. You understand? Ask to them in the morning where they've been. The police took them out from the Scandic Hotel. What they are doing? What are they doing here again?
I agree with the police that they are living.
What they are doing here again?
And we told the police that
Call the police. You see what they say?
Then they are somewhere else again. Then it will be another matter.
My bro.
We agree with
My bro.
the police.
you didn't even listen to me. We have been broadcasting this issue. Do you know of Nana's TV?
They have to be.
Bro, if you really care about it, I understand. If you really care about the situation, you will not permit those guys to come here.
No, it's not about
You will not permit them to come here.
It's not about permitting them.
You will not permit them to come
Of
there.
course, there's a situation.
They have to go out
There's a situation
before we start
in
to talk.
Cameroon. I receive updates every day from
And you accept this?
Wait,
And you accept this,
I'm
bro?
telling you that this is not how to go about it.
Exactly.
When they are
We are all
when
against what is happening in Cameroon. It's not by fighting
they are their own fighting. How many people they kill in
But when
Cameroon?
you are angry now, you are aggressive. It's
Let's
not
take it.
nice.
Let's look at it this way. I know you are filming me.
Yes, I'm
I
filming.
don't have a problem with
Yeah,
that.
I understand.
I don't have a problem with
So
that.
let them go out.
No.
We are live. Each system where we
I
are
don't have
right.
a problem.
Cameroonian people are seeing. They are seeing.
I have media.
If you care about what happened in Cameroon, you will not accept them there.
If we care, it's not about if we care, but
It's about what? It's about what?
It's about how you go about it. It's about how we go about the situation.
So what they're doing in Cameroon is very good.
No, I tell you,
they are going in a good
if
way.
I show you my phone right now, I receive updates every day because I am a media.
Bro.
This is Nana's TV talking to you. This is Nana's TV.
My
You
bro,
have not covered it.
my bro, we are spending time. We are spending time for nothing. Say to them to go,
You
please.
have not covered the problem in Cameroon more than we did.
We are just trying to be nice.
You know what will happen?
I'm surprised you don't
I
know.
understand.
If Cameroonians, they know
I
about
understand
Nana's TV.
you.
I have a lot of Cameroonian friends
Bro,
in this country.
do you know that you are now protecting those people?
No, I am not protecting
Do you
them.
know that you are now
No,
protecting those people?
No, I am not protecting them. The point is that there's a problem.
You are hiding them now.
No, we are not hiding
You are
them.
hiding them now.
Don't use that
You
word.
see, he tried to
Nobody's
protect
hiding.
us.
Nobody's hiding.
No, you are hiding them.
No.
So what are they doing there? What are they doing there? What are they doing there?
No, that is not how to go about things. We are not hiding.
So what is the
anybody.
final? Okay, what is the final of what you want to say now? That we go on, we leave them?
Wait.
Now tell me, what is the final?
You came here.
Yes.
You have seen them.
Yes.
You don't know what they are doing up there. You just want to.
Hey, they are making fraudulent passports.
Of course. If you have a proof, you deal with them. That is how you go about it.
Bro,
We take our
I
time
show
to
you,
go things.
Finnish ministry, foreign ministry,
Yes.
have not permitted them to
Yes.
come even.
Foreign
I show you,
ministry.
I show you. Those people you are hiding there, I show
Nobody
you.
is hiding anybody.
I show you.
We
The
are not hiding
border
anybody.
control received the message. They were supposed to be stopped for those reasons. You see here? See this email. You see here? This is border control. Right to you see? They were supposed to be stopped on the border.
So why
But
did they stop
I show them. They didn't stop them because they received information. Those people was already here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So once we know, we call the police in the morning. When they come there, they say to them they have to stop and go away. And then they are looking another place because they want to.
So police ask them to leave.
Yes, you can ask them.
Okay.
You could. I was talking with the border control before being here. This is the phone number, and you can even. This is the phone number
Of border control.
They don't know those people are here again.
So if you think border control is aware, then the best thing you could have done is to let border control know that these people are here, not to come here.
Bro,
on your own power. Then you'll be doing the wrong thing.
Bro, you know what?
If
You know
have
what?
the border control
Don't defend that.
No, I am
Don't
not
defend that
defending them.
situation.
No, we are all against. I keep telling you.
You are not against. If you was against, you could have not done what you are doing. You are not against.
We are all against.
What floor? What floor, even? What floor?
No, bro,
What floor?
Don't go in there. That will not solve the problem.
Bro, we are not solving. We are not doing nothing now. We are not doing now.
Wait, let me tell you.
I'm sorry.
What you can do is to rather stop people not to patronize, but you cannot go and bring them out because this is somebody's property. Bro, listen to me.
You are defending them.
No, come, let me show something on my phone.
I want to meet you there. So come tell me.
Come, let me show something on my phone. Come, you come. You,
Wait.
Let me show you.
Bro,
All the proof.
Wallah, you don't know me. I will go out.
Wait.
I will go up.
Wait.
Say to them to come down.
You don't know me too.
I will go up.
Wait, let me show you.
I will
You see-
finally go up.
Wait, let me show you. See, look at this. This is Nana's TV. Watch. Everybody in Cameroon, they know about us.
So you are doing wrong. You are doing wrong way. If you are stopping me, you are doing wrong way.
I want you to do the
If you
right
try
thing.
to stop me, you are doing wrong
I
way.
want you to do the right thing, my brother. We are all against the regime.
People are je préfère que telle Maman Africa histoire comme ça this problem is not
It's not normal. It's not normal. This guy is defending
No,
them.
I am not defending. He knows that I'm
People are
not
saying
defending.
you are defending
He
them.
knows I'm not defending.
Bro,
He knows.
if you was caring about what happened in Cameroon,
I tell you, I get message every day about the killing in Cameroon. I get everything every day. We have
once I put my back in the car, I will go in. I will put my back, I will come in. You don't understand what we are talking. I will finally go up. And once I go up, it will be another things. Once I go up, it will be another things.
No, I want to show you something. You just
Bro.
put your back down and come. I will show you something.
Once I put my back in the car, it will be another things. Vous voyez ce qui se passe? C'est des propres Africains. Voilà leur sécurité qui disent qu'ils avaient ici. Voilà leur sécurité.
Don't spoil your name.
Bro,
I want to show you something. Just
I understand.
Let me show you.
We are spending time for nothing.
No, let me show you. I want to show you all the program we did. For this. No, you're not even listening to me. You're not listening to me. I want you to listen. I'm not defending this program because when this issue came in Finland, we were the only media house. We even went to Minister of Foreign Affairs to tell them about the situation in Cameroon. Nelas TV, we went to Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Mama, listen. Don't need to protect those people.
We are not
protecting anybody.
The thing what you can do, if you want to do the good thing, say to those guys to come out.
Let them leave.
Say to them to come not out. This is the third place they've been today. First place, they go out. Second place, the police come and drop them out. And this is the third place. They promised like a couple of hours ago that they are leaving.
Yes, but they change the place.
They change the place.
They think that they don't feel about
We are not aware of this.
So now we are telling you that.
But if
now I'm telling you
have
that.
not seen me. You have not seen me. You are just seeing me. And if you are telling me this, and I'm telling you, yes, dialogue. The best thing is to dialogue. We find a way.
So now I say to them that please.
I'm not defending anybody.
Ask to them that where you been and why you go out. Ask to them. Ask to them where they been and why they go out.
The money is paid for that. It's the state money, my dear.
I'm trying to show you all the broadcasts that we did for this. We covered all
I understand. Listen, bro.
So now I am telling me that we are.
Now I am explaining. No, but I am explaining.
We have to do the right thing. That's the only thing I'm telling you.
What kind of writing you want us to do now?
Good. They are here. They are here.
Yeah.
You don't want them to cooperate.
Yeah.
So what you do is that you'll be there. Anybody who is
they have
you
to
tell
go
them
out.
no, they don't have to come in.
Bro, you cannot do that. They have to go out. They have to come out.
So what about if they go out and they go somewhere else? How would you know?
And then
How would you know? That is the point.
I'm telling you again.
How would you know?
Tell them to live peacefully.
How would you know? That is what I want you to understand. How would you know?
What you want the police who are calling this other place? Before the
Now watch this. No.
vous voyez ces gens ne font que supporter ces démons et ils nous bloquent là-bas. Bro, it's not normal. What level? Bro, don't know what you are doing. I told you one thing. I said to you, it doesn't matter where you hide them. They will go. They will go. They will go. Even before the police come, they will go. Don't joke. People are dying. It's not a joke.
Chief, yeah, it's here.
It's here, yeah?
No.
Say, take them.
They should
Put them out.
Open the door. Open the door. In the door. Chief, kill everybody there. What did they do?
What he do? Start to call security. Because when I catch him,
Want to go to jail? Open the door.
you are protecting them.
No.
You are protecting them.
I just came.
They have to leave. No way. Mama,
You are protecting them.
No, don't say that, please. Don't say I'm protecting anybody.
All what you are doing.
I'm a Ghanaian. I'm not protecting anybody. And I have a media house that has broadcast this problem for a long time.
Open the door. Open the door.
They want to play. We will play now.
Now we'll make a game. It's serious here. We'll make it now. Open the door. We are doing the police are leaving. They take the place. Because they don't feel about it. They don't have a Sophia to get money. Come and collect all the federals. Go out for that. If I'm not for me, you are giving them 1,000 from your class. What's the problem from people on that? Tu ne savais pas que c'est le problème. Il faut prendre c'est mon pays, j'aime pas les gens voilà. Les gens meurent dans le nord-ouest. Mais ce n'est pas moi, c'est pas que la fait la pouvoir.
Comme ils veulent que nous allons. Comme ils veulent que nous jouons.
Ils n'acceptent pas le peuple, ils tuent le peuple.
Voilà.
Ils viennent collecter l'argent ici pour aller financer la guerre. Je viens de demander tranquillement à notre ciel, je demande à ces gens de partir. Donc, on va faire la fête. Donc, on fait la police ici. On va open the door. Put the door. We don't have time.
There are so many doors leading to that place. So if you are here, there are so many doors leading to that place. So if you are eating here, it's just
Don't do what you do, bro.
no. Listen. If you want to do this thing, you do it nicely for everybody to know that you are right. That's what I'm trying to tell
So you think people are seeing that what we do are so nice?
What is going on?
No. Where's the embassy? They are here.
They are here.
This is church. Don't go there. This is church.
Embassy. Yeah. AF. Attends, okay. Yeah. What floor? This is just one floor. No, not this lift. It's just one floor. But what floor is it?
Dis, attends, je comprends. Dis-nous la vérité, ils sont.
Tu as essayé de me filmer, François.
Dis-nous la vérité, mon gars. Ne fais pas ça. Toi, tu ne peux pas mentir. Dis-nous la vérité, ils sont.
Ils sont là-bas, tu vas mais quand
Quel niveau?
Je
t'ai compris, non, ils sont à quel niveau? Quel niveau?
Ils sont montés là-bas,
13e niveau. C'est bon.
Tu vas filmer, tu vas.
Non, il n'y a pas de problème, il n'y a pas de problème. Je ne sais, il n'y a pas de problème.